Yeah, yesterday I never have nothing for do. Yesterday I'm a friend. I never have nothing for do. I'm dressed up like a girl. I put on girl lipstick, girl everything, makeup, everything, girl dress and everything. And people have a problem. Me and a blood clot batty man. Me and a batty man, I just do it for fun. I just want to do it for fun. Have fun. Experience myself. See if me an actor or I can go on and rate it. Yeah, I sing and I go on bad. And what the problem for me? Eat the whole and one. Alright. You see like when I do this, you come kill me. I want to come kill me. Because everybody have a dead one day. Me hate you know. I'm tired of you know. You need to come off of me now. Wah! Just a one video and one picture and it had problems to always king so I'm to the girl them do down in a chore. I'm to the girl them suck how much wood. I'm to the boy them I suck how much pussy and the girl them not let it out. The girl them need to let it go. You know for leave me alone. You know come kill me now. I live a building 2 Liverpool Kingston 14 flat 1 drive on. You come kill me now. I'm tired of you know. I'm tired of you know. You know come kill me. You don't have a problem with everything. You come kill me now? You come kill me? Because that you don't want to come down. You don't see me in trouble man bring me down. You don't come and kill me. Me not say me a batty man and me a ray. And someone don't walk with me name. But look like me I do this a long time and me I go out. If me a batty man I wouldn't live in a Western Kingston. If me a batty man could have died foreign. What the problem? I'm not batty man. I just behave like a girl. I just behave like a girl. So you forgot watch out on the mouth and the family. I hate family and I hate the whole of you. I'm tired of blood clot and sick me. The whole of you come like germs. You not to do that. BC it everywhere. Put it all on everything. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Put it on everything. Cause I want to come kill me. I just do it for fun. Yeah, some people enjoy it and some people don't enjoy it. But oh God bless no man curse. And if you want to kill me, me will be in the grave. But God I got deal with you no matter what me hate you know.